It's my baby, it's my love.
Hai guys. Sekarang kita di
Desa, lebih.
kami mau beli es krim dan susu segar.
Yeah. At first, I was hesitant, like a skeleton. You 20, but intelligent. Now all them other bitches so relevant. Oh yeah, 10 lines and some memories. Ooh. Guess someone got the best of me. Ooh. Chef B with the recipe. Yeah, with you is a better me. I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying is I fucking love you. I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying is I fucking love you. Oh yeah. Love you through the better days, love you through the rainy ones. Champion, you number one. Yeah, that's true. But I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying is I fucking love you. Oh yeah. Yes I do. Chillin' top floor with a penthouse view, but that don't mean a thing unless I'm next to you. Cause money just money, let's just spend it on you. Next to me, when I'm with you, you bring out the best in me. God made you a twin, but you the one I see. But shout out to Alicia, that's my baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But if I wrote you a love song, would you sing it? If I need a bail out of jail, would you bring it? If I win, then we're up. If we fail, then we wing it. I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying is I fucking love you.
Oke, kami sudah menjelajahi desa Fairy Frame. Desa Fairy Frame. Desa Fairy Frame apa? Dairy Frame. Desa Dairy Farm. Ayo pagi chef. Tapi datang sini terus jadi mendung-mendung, atau apakah dari jauh memang cerah sana cerahnya. So sekarang kita on the way beli strawberry. Okay, bye.
My baby.